Three.
Hello everyone, now I will uh,
Present.
present how to reduce pollution. Uh, you can reduce, reuse and recycle and use less energy at home and choose sustainable transportation options. Specifically, this includes driving less and using public transit, biking or walking, and opting for energy efficient appliances and renewable energy source. And you can use public transportation instead of your own car and plan your trip to complete multiple errands in one go. And turn off your engine when you're stopped for more than a few seconds. That's all from